Welcome back to my channel, and by the title of this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this super cute lightweight hairstyle. I did have my hair pre-parted the night before and actually ended up wearing my bantu knot to an interview, but we're gonna talk about that, so make sure y'all subscribe to get notified when I post. Okay. So after the takedown, I took one piece from the back and just separated the hair into like 2 or like 3 pieces, because I think I only added 2 pieces to each one, I think. Now the first one I did a simple like traditional twist just to see how how it would look. Now it was loose at the root, so I did end up taking it down and redoing it, but after that one I did do them a different way, so I'm gonna show y'all that when I'm closer to the top. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I kind of did the other ones different from the first one. I basically took the base and started off like a knotless or like fusion or whatever you want to call it. I plaited about 3 times and then just started twisting and twisting, basically till I got to the bottom. And I did end up adding another piece towards the middle just to keep that same, length of the twist, but as you twist, you do want to twist your hands. I don't know if that makes sense, but as you're twisting the hair, twist your hands as well. Finished, but I didn't like the results of the first dip, so the next morning I simply just wanted to show y'all how I kept it up overnight, and I definitely re-dipped the ends. So many compliments, so definitely a 10 out of 10. If you like, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.